Welcome to my revolution. This New York State prison reform is called the Good Time Equity Act. The objective of this New York State legislative bill is to revise Correctional Law 803 and Correctional Law 804 in order to reinstitute the equal implementations of due process through equally distributed good time credits to all New York State prisoners serving definite sentences, or flatbeds as we call it. Since July 1st, 1976, the original legislative text of Correctional Law 804 originally permitted every person confined within an institution serving a definite sentence to receive up to 1/3 good time credit allowances off of their sentence. These good time credit opportunities through the wordings of Correctional Law 804 were written to apply to every person within any institution, whether it be a county jail, state prison, or any other institution designed for the housing of an incarcerated individual. However, when these correction laws were arbitrarily revised 35 years later in 2011, these legally permissible 1/3 good time credit opportunities were improperly obstructed and discontinued for state prisoners to now only offer a reduced 1/7 good time allowance instead of the proper 1/3 allowance that's still being offered to each prisoner within every other institution outside of state control. In effect, state prisoners are unduly being forced to serve a larger portion of their prison sentence, even if they are serving the same exact amount of time as someone in a county jail. And they have already been rehabilitated through positive programming completion. To be exact, these contradictory provisions of law represent substantial due process implications upon incarcerated rights, since groups of thousands of prisoners who are all similarly situated serving definite sentences within the state of New York are being treated significantly different due to unequal opportunities for 1/3 good time allowances that, by law, are supposed to be afforded to all prisoners serving definite sentences within any New York County and state institution. My legislative proposals simply seek to correct these unjust legal imbalances of law to permit rehabilitated prisoners timely releases based upon earned good time credits as originally established by the 1976 legislative text of Correctional Law 804. Give us back our rights.